Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic journey planned for your taste buds as we dive into the world of Lebanese mint lemonade. You might think you know everything about this refreshing drink, but there's so much more to discover. So, let's get started. Minty origins. Lebanese mint lemonade is more than just a beverage. It's a cultural icon in Lebanon. Mint, or nana, in Arabic, is a key ingredient. Did you know that mint was cultivated in ancient Lebanon by the Phoenicians over 2,000 years ago? That's right, it's a tradition that's been passed down through generations. The perfect balance. One of the secrets to the incredible flavor of Lebanese mint lemonade is the perfect balance of ingredients. It's all about the harmony between tart lemons, fragrant mint leaves, and just the right amount of sweetness. The result? A refreshing and rejuvenating drink that has become a symbol of hospitality in Lebanon. Health benefits. Here's something you may not know. This delightful drink is not just about taste. It's also packed with health benefits. Mint is known for its digestive properties. And lemon juice is loaded with vitamin C, making this lemonade great for your digestive system and overall health. It's no wonder Lebanese people drink it regularly. Regional variations. Now, let's talk about regional variations. While Lebanese mint lemonade is iconic, you'll find slight differences from one region to another. In some areas, they may add a hint of orange blossom water for a unique twist, while in others, pomegranate molasses adds a sweet and tangy kick. Social tradition. In Lebanon, this drink is not just a thirst quencher, it's also a social tradition. It's served to guests as a welcoming gesture and as a staple at family gatherings and celebrations. Lebanese hospitality wouldn't be complete without a glass of this delightful concoction. Preparing Lebanese mint lemonade. Now, let's get to the exciting part. How can you make your own Lebanese mint lemonade at home? It's simple. Here's a quick recipe you can follow. Squeeze the juice of fresh lemons into a pitcher. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves, and gently muddle them to release their aroma. Add sugar or honey to taste. Pour in cold water and stir until everything is well combined. Refrigerate for a few hours or serve over ice. Culinary versatility. Lebanese mint lemonade is not just a standalone drink. It's also a versatile culinary ingredient. In Lebanon, it's often used in salad dressings, marinades, and even as a flavor enhancer for grilled meats. The combination of mint and lemon is truly magical in Lebanese cuisine. Seasonal sensation. While Lebanese mint lemonade is a year-round favorite, it truly shines in the scorching summer months. The drink's cooling properties make it a go-to choice for beating the summer heat. So, next time you're looking for refreshment on a hot day, remember to reach for a glass of this zesty delight. Sustainability. Lebanese mint lemonade has sustainability at its core. The ingredients are typically locally sourced, promoting small-scale farming and reducing the carbon footprint. Many Lebanese households grow their own mint, ensuring a fresh and sustainable supply. International influence. The delightful taste of Lebanese mint lemonade has influenced international cuisine. You'll find variations of it in various countries, each with its unique twist. In some places, it's known as mint and lemon cooler, or mint lemonade, but the heart of the drink remains the same. Modern adaptations. With the rise of creative mixology and culinary experimentation, modern adaptations of Lebanese mint lemonade have emerged. Some bars and restaurants now offer alcoholic versions, to give it an adult twist. It's a testament to the drink's enduring popularity. Food pairings. Lebanese mint lemonade pairs wonderfully with a variety of Lebanese dishes. Whether it's shawarma, falafel, tabbouleh, or grilled kebabs, this beverage is the perfect accompaniment, enhancing the flavors and providing a refreshing contrast. The power of simplicity. What's truly remarkable about Lebanese mint lemonade is its power of simplicity. With just a few basic ingredients, it manages to create a sensory experience that transports you to the heart of Lebanon. It's a testament to the beauty of uncomplicated recipes. And there you have it, the hidden wonders of Lebanese mint lemonade. The perfect balance of flavors, rich history, and a symbol of hospitality. If you've never tried it, I highly recommend giving it a shot. It's a taste of Lebanon in every sip. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting culinary journeys. Until next time, keep sipping and savoring.